If you have father, you have everything. A father is the superhero of the world. He has the supernatural human qualities to maintain everything in his family with cares, loves, affections, and sincerities. A father is an asset of every child. A father is like a banyan tree that always gives shade above our heads. George Herbert said, one father is more than 100 schoolmasters. That means a father's teaching capacity is much more effective than any other teachers of the world. So, if you have father, you should respect him from your hearts. Thank you very much.